Hi guys, this is Suzuki Ignis from 2006 and today we will replace side blinker light bulb or this plastic element. For some of you it might be broken, it's frequently broken. So let's get to it. Okay, so now this part is the front of your car. So this goes towards the front of your car. This here is your driver's door, and if you go there, you go towards the trunk, the back of your car. To remove this blinker assembly, you need to push it this way and then pull this part here towards yourself. So that's what I'm going to do now. I push it this way and then I pull this part towards myself, and you see this part is free already. And now I pull it gently towards me, not to damage the cables. And now to remove this cable out of the blinker assembly, you need to pull this pad up. So you take this pad, don't need any screwdrivers for that, it's a large pad, and you pull it up. You see, that was down, you pull it up and you gently remove the cable and keep hold of the cable because you don't want to miss it inside, you don't want to lose it inside. So I'm gonna place it here gently, and that's our blinker assembly. Now you can't replace only the transparent part because it's sealed, so no water gets inside, so you need to replace the whole assembly. I would recommend buying used one. It's actually pretty easy to get that from the scrapyard, especially if your car is over 10 years old. And now to replace the bulb only, what you need to do, you need to twist this part, the electrical interface. So you twist it like that and then pull it out like that. So you get two parts now, and one has the bulb in it. So you pull out the bulb and you see it has an orange color, so if you want to change it, don't buy a white bulb, buy a orange color bulb. Regarding the bulb spec, this is a standard light bulb. Not sure if you'll be able to see that. Let the camera zoom in here. To assemble it back, you basically put it in, okay, so that you see you put this in like that, and now there are two interfaces on both sides here, and one is larger and the second one is smaller, and the same here, one is larger, the second slot is smaller, so you can't actually put it the other way around. There's only one way to put it in. So you direct the larger one towards the larger one and the smaller one towards the smaller, and then you twist it back in place. If the rubber here is worn, see this rubber? This is a simple O-ring. It's pretty easy to find the replacement. It's almost at any store, maybe you have it home. So you just replace it so no water gets inside. So when you twist it, you just do the reverse. There is also, you see this plastic element sticking out here, and there's none on the other side, so you need to connect it to this latch. So you just push it in place, and when the latch latches onto this element that sticks out, you do the reverse of removal. You see there's the pad that has the ability to bend a bit, and that's why you need to put this one first like that, and then push it and put the other part in, and then it sits tight. You can check it out as well to make sure that you've done a good job. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more videos about car mechanics, this car or other cars, check my channel out. I've got plenty of car mechanical videos there, and good luck with your Ignis!